Hadien ke Jingiaseng bat ke Jingdawa ban Pynkelai ke Tarik ban Pynlong ke Tamasa Cherry Blossom Hamadan Kur Kalang Bhoi Rembong nakalang ki head district ke Bhoi district kan thobi deputy commissioner bat superintendents of police Bhoi kila pentikna baga district kalalong ke belah Khreh na ke Bynta ke tiga Tamasa ke belai sengi ke bansa sedang no sien nadu ke khatnyu hadu khat khandai tering naiwing arajar ar pulai. Ha kejuk kapor nakaliang superintendents of police Bhoi ulaong banakaliang ketenat ringkat ke dor barshnong kila kendu ikit khot jong ke joint action committee balayo ban pensung thu ya kapor jong ke tiga Tamasa da ke pentikna ba kapor jong ke tiga Tamasa kalong Hadien jong kapor long Jingiaseng. Ha bakaran cikilat pathai KHUBOR ha nongba Shillong ulai thu baka district administration ha ringkat ke Bhoi police kila penbiang ye ki nong pej perman ban lat na kano kano ke jingya kulmar batru ban nam thot iki paj ba ki bayat bayeng.
So we are for Cherry Blossom Festival, we are fully prepared and we have made a detailed plan of entry and exit for public and also it will be very smooth. And we have identified parking places also for coordination. Also we have a special medical camps and all. So we are fully prepared for hosting a very successful Cherry Blossom Festival.
What about traffic arrangements?
Traffic arrangements are already in place. We have a detailed deployment of forces and even within specified parking area also we will have volunteers from the Shlong and trained volunteers and police constables also will be there. So that also is being taken care of so that there is no disruption of normal traffic on the highway.
So there was report of this GAC trying to disrupt the organizing of this Cherry Blossom Festival. What is the latest status of the opposition? There are some groups that are opposing.
Joint Action Committee.
Okay.
So far, I think regarding to that, there is no opposition because village norms also have met the concerned departments also have met the concerned members of the JAC, made them understand that this is actually we have skipped the timing also up to 3 o'clock after the church service. So as far as this thing now, there is no open opposition.
We have seen in this particular case, like you have arrested some gentlemen who involved in some kind of.
So that is nothing related to do with JAC. It is something case related to extortion in a petrol pump case.
In a petrol
Pump extortion case, yes.
And
what's
No, nothing in that case.
and what's the latest now? The case.
So that case is now the case of Iskas Hills. So
In
he has
Iskas
been-
Hills?
Yes. So this is a Laban case, and actually the police have registered and then arrested him, and now he's in the judicial custody. This is also related to extortion in Iskas Hills.
So there are two cases. You mean one in
Yes,
Bhoi
yes.
and
One in Iskas Hills.
So just coming back to Cherry Blossom, how many personnel are being deployed or in place? So that, like, do you have sufficient manpower to?
Yes, we have sufficient manpower, and mainly the peak hours is in night time, especially after 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock till permission is given to 12. So that is the peak time where more members the crowd is expected. So that time we have enough force required.
And also those who will be performing, like I think this will come from the organizer. They'll be flying in directly to Umroi Airport, or what's the arrangement?
Which artists are you speaking to?
For all the artists.
No, they'll be flying into Guwahati Airport because they have better carriers, and then from there we'll be using the chopper, the state chopper service.